On this video, I'm going to take you with me as I remove my saddle setup from a tree. Come with me and see how easy it is to remove a complete setup from the tree and how to pack it all in my Kay's backpack from Trophyline. There is a big Y in the tree just above my first climbing stick. So I have decided throughout the week to climb the first stick, throw my rope around the tree and hook into my climbing rope above the Y to start my ascent. I will climb up to my highest stick to start removing my equipment. I will remove my lowest utility belt first and drop it to the ground. Then I will work my way up a little higher to remove my second utility belt from the tree. Both of my utility belts came from Amazon. They worked okay for my first season, but I think I will start looking for something that packs a little more efficiently. If you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment and let me know. I will remove my rope for pulling my bow or rifle up with. This method again worked good for my first season of saddle hunting, but I would like to find a better method to pull my weapon up with. So again, if you have a better way, please leave me a comment and let me know. Now I will head back down and remove my platform first. I'm not sure why I didn't remove the platform when I went up. That would have kept me from having to loosen my lineman rope to go around and above the platform. It would have been a lot safer to remove it first. Once I get my platform detached from the tree, I will lower it to the ground. I am standing on my third stick out of 4, so I can remove my fourth stick from the same location and lower it to the ground also. I will climb down to my second stick so I can remove my third stick. Once I've removed my third stick and lower it to the ground, I will climb down to my first stick and remove my second stick. When my second stick is removed and lowered to the ground, I will detach my lineman rope and hop off of the tree and remove my first climbing stick from the tree. Now that all of my equipment is removed from the tree, I will start packing it in and on my Kay's backpack. I start by getting my gear organized to either put in my backpack or put on my backpack. I will first get all of my loose equipment put away inside of my backpack and then start to strap my platform and climbing sticks on the outside of my backpack. I will get the platform positioned on the back of my backpack and then get 2 of my sticks and strap them on one side and then get the second set of climbing sticks and attach them to the other side of the backpack. This backpack has a nice flap with 2 adjustable straps that make it easy and convenient to get your platform and all sticks secured to the backpack. After platform and sticks are secured to the backpack with the flap and straps, you take the last 2 adjustable straps, one high and one low, and secure the equipment securely to the backpack. Now you can throw the pack on your back and comfortably walk out of the woods with no worries or discomfort. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to leave any comment for me that you wish. Thank you.